Hey everyone, it's Lisa from moonprismplanner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and watching. Today I'm going to be memory planning for the week of September 7th in my medium vertical Recollections planner. This is a kit by Destash With Me Designs, so if you want to see how I pre-plan for my week, I will have that video linked down below, or it'll pop up in the cards so you can watch it after this video. But for now, I'm just going to fill in all of the white spaces in my planner with all of my, memory planning. So just kind of like what I did throughout the day. And that's how I memory plan. By the way, I do PR for Destash With Me Designs, but the summer term is coming to a close. So if you do want to get my freebie while you still can and save, you can use my code Lisa10 and then you'll get my freebie. But once the summer term ends, then she's going to have a new fall PR team. So she's going to be getting a whole new team, and she's got applications out right now. So anyways, let's get planning. I'm going to go ahead and take one of these kind of like quarter boxes from the kit with the bow on the top there. I'm just going to write in picking up my son because he did spend the weekend with his dad because he had the long Labor Day weekend and there's no school on Monday. So he was there from Saturday, Sunday, Monday. And then other than what's on Monday, that's all I really did. And I wrote for my gratitude that I was grateful to have him back with us. For Tuesday, I'm going to go ahead and take a half box from the kit for Simply Gilded's new, well, they're not new anymore, but her newest collection was the Celestial collection. It was so gorgeous, tons of moons and stardust and galaxies. It was awesome. And I'm just going to take a little roll of washi from Simply Gilded herself, from a sticker sheet I got from her, just to mark that she had her Celestial release. Then I'm going to go ahead and take a triple heart mini checklist flag from the kit because I had to do a lot of online shopping. So my son had a gift card for Kohl's that he got for his birthday, so he wanted to order some clothes, and so I placed an order with his gift card from Kohl's. Then I also found out about some cute little cauldrons at Michael's. So I used this Michael's gift bag, which unfortunately I don't know who that's from, because as you can see I had it on the paper, the like reusable sticker paper, because I just had it in my collection from a Destash, so I don't know exactly where it's from. Anyways, though, I wanted to order those cauldrons because they are like oven safe, so you can bake with them, you can microwave them, whatever. They're really cute. I was thinking I could use incense with them, but now I'm not sure because I don't know if they're not technically fire safe. I don't know. Anyways, that was the idea. So I did order some of those cauldrons. And then I had to place an order on Amazon as well. So my gratitude for Tuesday was those cauldrons because they were basically getting like sold out everywhere. And so that's why I placed the order online. I just don't want to go to a Michael's and then have them not even be there. And so I was just really grateful that I was able to order those adorable little cauldrons online at Michael's and just order store pickup. And next I'm going to go ahead and move on to Wednesday, where I'm going to place like this kind of like a washi strip from the kit down, and then I'm going to layer that with a side bow transparent dot from the Giving Girl. I love her transparent dots. And then I have an RX pill bottle and the script Refill Prescription from Cozy Paper Co., which is another shop that I PR for. By the way, all of these shops that I'm mentioning are linked down below, so if you want to purchase from them and you want to use my codes to save, that's all down there. I think I also used another dot from the Giving Girl just because I love layering those dots. But anyways, next I'm going to take a couple of flags in the kit and then another transparent bow dot from the Giving Girl. And I just kind of layered those together. I like how it turned out. I don't often do that, but I kind of like the little like shadow effect that it gives because it's darker pink underneath. And then I've got a Take a Walk script from the Giving Girl. I love her font. It's so gorgeous. And that's because my son and I went for a little walk that night. So I try to kind of keep it chronological, but this Wednesday is not chronological because the walk was at the end of the night. But anyways, I put it in there. We also went to Kohl's to pick up his order because they were really fast and had it ready actually same day, but we picked it up the next day. And so I just used one of these quarter boxes, or is it a third box? It's like a third box from the kit for that. We also, since I actually ordered from the wrong Kohl's and it was like way on the other side of town, it was like 30 minutes away. I decided to kind of we wanted to check out what was nearby, so we found a boba tea place. Me and my husband and my son, we all love boba, so it was a new place called Boba Tealicious. So we were excited to get some boba since we were in the vicinity, in the area. By the way, I also forgot to check off the checklist, so I went and checked that off. Anyways, so I'm going to take a little scallop corner from the kit and then this adorable little boba tea drink from Inspire Ever After. just to write in there the name of the boba shop that we went and got some boba from. My husband got the honeydew, and it was so good. Usually, like, I don't know, like, I've never ordered the honeydew. I love honeydew, but like, I just kind of always thought it'd be like a very mild, sweet, you know, honeydew flavor, because honeydew is not super sweet or super flavorful, but wow, I've never had the honeydew like slush, and it's like way sweeter than you would actually think real honeydew is. It was really good. Then I'm just going to take a couple of pretty transparent dots from the Giving Girl, and then a Happy Meal envelope from Cozy Paper Co. because I did get a delivery for the Studio wireless earbuds, because I'm doing a partnership with them over on my Instagram. Don't worry, this video is not sponsored. They're just doing like a partnership with me, kind of like a sponsored post. So I was really excited to get that delivery and get their you know, earbuds to like try out and you know, like demo and let you guys know about them and stuff. So I was really excited about that. It's my first kind of post like that. So they did ship them out, and I got them on Wednesday. And then that was it for my Wednesday. I just wrote amazing temp for my gratitude because the temperature was like so nice. We actually kept our windows open all night and had the AC off because it was like in the low. Sorry, my cat's messing with his cat bowl, his food bowl. So whatever, what was I saying? It was like in the low 70s, and it felt so stinking nice. It was like actually chilly. I was like, oof. It has heated up since then, so unfortunately, but it was nice on that Wednesday. It felt like fall was coming. Then on Thursday, I'm just going to use like a quarter box from the kit and then a little bow hexagon or pentagon icon with the phone, because I needed to call my son's doctor, because like the medicine she gave him, it's like hasn't been approved by my insurance yet, and so I'm annoyed because I've been waiting like the whole week to refill his medication, and we can't refill it because they're like, oh, prior authorization. So like, I don't know, I had to call the doctor and tell them, you know, can you please do something. And then I'm gonna take another one of those pretty scallop corners from the kit, and just, I didn't really have anything to mark that with. It was just for setting up the new earbud, I keep calling them earbuds, like the dog, the movie Airbud, the new earbuds from Studio, which actually took me like 2 seconds. All I had to do was like open the thing and go to my settings and connect it. It was like so easy. But I was excited to do them, so, you know, I put it in my planner. Anyways, and then I'm gonna do a little, what is it, flag? Yeah, page flag from the kit. And then these really pretty icon with like the brows and the tweezers from the Giving Girl, and just some little transparent dots kind of playing around with the layering from the Giving Girl as well, just because I waxed and tweezed my brows on Thursday because they were looking like a hot mess. And then I'm going to take another like third box from the kit, and then another bow pentagon icon with the computer, because I did a lot of cleaning up in the office. If y'all follow me on Instagram and you hear me talk about it, or if you've watched any of my videos, you know I've talked about it. I'm redoing our office because we've been cleaning up the house throughout quarantine, and the office is the last room to clean up. I do need to clean up, there's like some hallway cabinets that we have, and they have a bunch of older like sheets and stuff that don't even, like, they fit my old son's old bed. I need to clean through that, but it's a small little cabinet, so compared to like the rooms we've been working on, the office is the last room, and I'm so excited to get it finally organized and pretty. So then on Thursday, I wrote I was grateful for nature sounds because I just love the sound of like peaceful, calm nature noises. And then I didn't have any room to put anything on Friday, so I just kind of skipped over any, you know, memory planning for Friday, and just wrote I was grateful for setting up my fall decor. I did want to put that in my planner, and I realized it on Saturday morning when I was, or Saturday night when I was memory planning. So even though it's not, you know, it's like bumped down in the bottom washi, I was happy to like put it in there because I was just happy to have my fall decor up. So anyways, I took like a little skinny flag from the kit, and then this cute little scalloped fall circle from Cozy Paper Co. It's one of her $1 Wednesdays. Just to write in fall decor. Again, I had no space, but whatever, I just put it down there. I think that it matches the kit so well. It almost looks like the same exact color, I think, as those flowers in the kit. Anyways, so moving on to Saturday, I'm going super fast here. All I had room to do was just check off my checklist and write in our little Saturday movie night that we had. We know we watch a movie every Saturday, and we watched Fantastic Four, the original one, because my son hadn't seen it. And then Sunday, I just kind of, you know, checked marked the bills that we paid, and then filled in my gratitude for Saturday. I was grateful for the fall candles that I recently purchased at Bath & Body Works. I hauled them on my Instagram too, because I needed some more fall goodness in my life. And for Sunday, I was grateful for some Costco gift cards that we got for free from ordering our new phones from Costco. We all upgraded our phones recently, and so I was really grateful to have those new phones. Unfortunately, I didn't have any room again on Saturday to put in that we went to Bath and Body Works, but after work, we went over to Bath and Body Works because they were having a candle sale. And then I'm just going to migrate over in my to-do list because I didn't really do anything that I was supposed to. And then that is everything for this memory plan with me. So here's the entire week. Like I said, after I've memory planned for the whole week, I love, this is my favorite thing to do, is to just go in day by day and memory plan with the beautiful leftovers in the kit and fill up my day with beautiful memories that are so sparkly and gorgeous. And then I get to look back on it. You know, when I keep my planners, if I ever want to look back on it, I can just flip through and look at the beautiful memories. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up if you did, because I really appreciate your support. And definitely subscribe if you're not already, since I make videos regularly. And leave me a comment if you have a question or you just want to say hi, and I'll say hi back. Take care. Have a wonderful rest of your week. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.